I found God on the corner of First and Amistad, where the West was all but one. All alone, smoking his last cigarette. I said, where you been? He said, ask anything. Where were you when everything was falling apart? All my days were spent by telephone. The never rain. All I needed was a call that never came. To the corner of First and Amistad, lost and insecure. But in the end, everyone ends up alone, losing her, the only one who's ever known who I am, who I'm not, who I wanna be. No way to know how long she will be next to me. Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor. Where were you? Where were